Okay guys, so paalis na kami. Punta kami sa aming mini vacation. Ay, boys, bye! Bye! Okay, paalam muna tayo kay mother. No need to, ano na.
Mama.
Yes. Ay, you have to eat. Mini bakasyon na to. Di na kami natuloy sa New York. Nababay. So, yan, nasa biyahe na tayo. So, nag-stop over muna kami. Pumili kami ng pagkain muna dito, guys. Pero, kalahating oras na lang ando na tayo sa ating destination. Lagi na lang umuulan pag kami nagbabiyahe. Mga ano pa kami guys, half an hour. Kasi nag-stop kami kumain. Andito na kami ulit.
That one over there.
Yeah, Daddy has to be on that side. Andito na kami. Check-in, yeah. Cascades Lobby. Ito yung paborito namin pinupuntahan na malapit sa amin. Kasi nga hindi kami natuloy sa New York. So, ayaw naman natin yung mga bata madismay ang tuluyan kasi talagang ready na sila. So, ito tayo. Self-parking 35 na.
Head east, then turn right.
Ticket. Kuha tayo ng ticket.
It's too full.
Yeah, it's not too full at all. Wow, we probably get the room right away. Even when I get out, it's not too full. Or it's a guest room or something, it's not too full. That's good. Dito rin natin sinama sina mother at father last year.
That's the...
Dito tayo kasi
Yeah. That is...
Yeah. Okay guys, so mag-check-in muna tayo. For 3 days? Hey Ben, your bag, your heavy bag. Alright. Ganda namin. Okay Ben, oh, napakalaki. I told you, ano na lang. Pwede na kaya?
Yep.
Alright. Konting bakasyones. Aba. Come on, Ben. Let's follow Kuya. Yeah. Alam na nila kung saan sila pupunta. Yeah, both.
Then don't worry.
Where's your bag? Oh, okay. Na tayo. Go, Ben. Ha? Right there. Whoa. Ating check-in muna tayo. Dito tayo sa counter. G.
On the ground floor. Oh, it says 4th floor.
G. We're in G. D. Delta? Delta? So, hinahanap natin yung hotel room natin. Go ahead, kuya. Go ahead, baba. Okay. 4.
Ben.
That's it. All right. What is that, baby? 4. 4085. It's either that side or this side. Sa dulo, all the way to the back. Yeah. Somewhere. 85. Okay. Here we go.
Oh, there's an easier way.
Yeah, we just went around. We could have. Okay, guys. $40.85.
Where's this not gonna work?
Are you sure it's $40.85? For
Room 085. I don't know.
yeah, that's about right. Where's the other one? I guess there's this. Ikaw. Okay, may I borrow yours? It doesn't work.
Garden.
Yay! Okay, pull. Okay, guys. we found our room. Pasok. Get in, get in. Get inside. Leave your shoes here.
This is mine.
Ah, baby. We have a partial view.
Old.
We have a balcony. They give yung aming view. At least we have a little view. Okay, that's good because Daddy loves to. There's water.
I found down the table.
Oh yeah, we can smell the steakhouse. So yan ang view natin. Medyo mainit kasi para tong greenhouse. So parang papawisan ka, which is good. Gusto kong pawisan. That's a restaurant. Okay, so meron.
They probably would take enough points to give us the same room.
Yeah, that's true. I like the curtains too. So, yeah, we can put our stuff in. May shampoo kaya? Kasi wala akong dalang shampoo. Ayun, meron pala shampoo conditioner. Okay. Okay, may extra towels. Ano to? Ano kaya ito? Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Oh, okay. There's toothbrush and toothpaste. Or we can put this. We can put Benjamin's bag over here. You can put your bag inside. These are for the coffee. Okay, so let's take this out. Okay, come on. Let's take it out. Okay, so we'll just take it out. So, merong isang kapehan. May dalawa pala dyan. Okay, may tsaa. Kasi kailangan ko mag-tsaa. May coffee. Okay. Is that your Pepsi? Oh, Benjamin's. I'm just gonna ask for a vacuum.
Got a creamer just to eat. Look at that. Hello. Coffee. Cream.
Kasi ang dumi ng floor eh, hindi vinacuum. Okay natin Dati guys akong housekeeper sa hotel. So, sali ko na. Sali ko na sa housekeeper. Gracias. Okay, so at least malinis na yung floor natin. Hey!
I was waiting.
You were waiting for me? Huh? Do you want to take a shower too? No?
Did you go to this stuff on the phone?
Yeah, you can now. It's clean now. So, magsha-shower lang ako kasi balbasa to yung parang para kayong nasa greenhouse. Humid. So, ito yung ating view. Magbubukas to mamaya pa dinner. Yeah, they open dinner. We can walk around. Do you want to do that? Yeah. And see after I shower. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so shower lang ako. Alright. Brand new yung aking filter. So, inanlinis ko muna yung filter. Then, parang mayroon kaming tubig na fresh. Tapos, ito cold water. Okay, so ganyan lang tayo. Para meron tayong tubig, di na tayo bibili. Meron naman provided na tubig sa hotel, kaya lang, dadalawang piraso, hindi sapat. Okay? Tapos, dala natin yung mga vitamins natin, panlinis ng kuko, Okay, so, okay, mapupuno naman. Okay, para pag magkakape, magtsatsa, diba? Alright, charan! And then, ang sunod man yung baong kong tubig. So, hot water lang yung panghuhugas natin. Naubusan namin ito. Sa sasakyan. So, hugasan lang. There's what? There's a little bath towel. Yeah, those are face towels. Okay. So, yan. So, pwede na siya uling i-refill. Yeah? Yeah? And then, i-refill. Yeah, we have... yeah. Some are for the body, some are for the face, hand. Okay, so we're gonna put it in the fridge so we have cold water and we can filter more. Let's try muna how nice.
Having football in the fridge. I love this hotel.
I know, we love this hotel. So, matamis siya. Kasi nga, bago tong filter na nilagay ko. Kasi kakapalit ko lang. Tinry ko kung walang lasang. Minsan kasi lasang chlorine. Yung hotel faucet water. Lagyan natin sa fridge and then mag-filter pa tayo. Kasi nabawasan na eh. So, ito lang. Okay. Tapos. Okay, isa pa. Para sa tsaa mamaya pagbalik namin. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami. Okay. Gusto kong mag-tsaa eh. Alright. Okay. Alright, so meron tayong malinis na tubig. So we have fresh water. It's super sweet. Tapos meron din tayong debote. Provided dalawa. Debote. And then, lagay natin. Tapos dito sa ating mini ref. Huwag lang nating maiwan to kasi paborito ko to eh. Okay, parang hindi siya malamig. How do we change the setting? I think it's set like that. So, then there's a chance that you will forget these toys. I'm telling you. That happens all the time. Okay.